there, huh?
Open it. You may have to help me with this one, honey, because it's just an UPS box. It's really inside there.
Oh.
Look in there.
What's in there?
What is that?
Pull it out.
Wow, look at that.
A card.
Look. What is that?
Oh,
All right, you erase them, I think. There you go.
look. Mama.
Yes, Jason.
Oh,
A truck? Can you say thank you? Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Oh, it's from Grandma and Grandpa in California. Can you say thanks?
Wave to the camera.
I can't.
Oh, you can't. Say bye. Jason, say bye.